Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by ensuring Selenium and the browser driver are installed, then import WebDriver. Open the page with driver. Get and inspect the element in DevTools. Once done, craft a simple XPath. Use // tag it @= value for exact matches or // tag contains, at class part for partial matches. You do this because attributes are stable identifiers. Make sure to prefer relative XPaths to avoid brittle absolute paths, and to verify the XPath in the console before using it in code. You now refine the selector. Use text when matching visible text contains for partial attributes and starts with for prefixed values. Once done, switch to driver. Find element XPath rather than deprecated helpers. Use find elements to return lists and index specific nodes. Also, apply axes like parent or following sibling when the target lacks unique attributes. This approach works because it mirrors the DOM relationships, giving you resilient XPaths that survive layout changes and reduce false positives during automated runs. You finish by performing actions and validations. Locate with your XPath, call click or send keys, then assert page state. Make sure to wrap interactions with WebDriver weight and expected conditions so elements are visible and clickable. This prevents timing failures. If it still fails, troubleshoot. Test the XPath in DevTools, verify the element isn't inside an iframe, then switch to frame and confirm there are no shadow DOM or dynamic attribute issues. One key tip: increase explicit wait time while debugging to isolate timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.